guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki, and today I'm gonna show you how I made two beautiful ornaments. This is one of them, and those are some bells for your Christmas tree, and they're so cute. I haven't finished them, but you will see them. We're gonna use this cups. We're gonna use some pine cones, as you can see here. We're gonna use berries, some jute rope or ribbon. As you see here, I have a ribbon, and we're gonna use those wooden beads, some black paint. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take our black paint and a sponge. That's a makeup sponge, and we're gonna sponge it on the bottom part of our cup. Those are foam cups, and I'm just dabbing a little bit more on the top and sides, as you can see there. And we're gonna complete that. Do that to all of them and let them dry. After that, we're gonna start painting our wood beads. We're gonna paint lots of them because each bell would have two of those. So for a set like we're making, we're gonna need 4. Now we're gonna glue 2 of those cups together like that. Let that glue set, and then we're gonna add 1 of those wooden beads on top of each one. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some jute twine and we're gonna add a bead like this, and then we're gonna tie it and cut a piece of that, measuring with our cups and gluing them on the inside just like that. Repeat the same steps for the other bell, like that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to decorate our bells. For that, we're going to add the jute twine that's for hanging our ornament, like that. And we're going to start making a cute bow for our ornament. And you know, I don't know how to make cute bows, so I use hot glue and jute twine. So you make the cutest bow you can make. And then glue it to your bells and use the embellishments you want. I'm gonna use those berries and some of that green, I don't know, it looks like eucalyptus, or it could be boxwood greenery. Add that, your berry, and that's it. Look at that, so cute. And for this one, what we're gonna use is this wood slice, and also we're gonna use this type of wooden cut out, and also we're gonna use black paint. This is the Licorice by Folkart. Don't look at the paint because my son loves to shoot that. Some jute twine, our glue gun, we're gonna use our scissors, and that's it. Let's get started. First, we're gonna take our jute twine and we're gonna make something to hang it just like that, and we're gonna glue it on top of it. Then we're gonna paint using our black paint all around our wood slice, just leaving a little bit so you can see the wood on the wood slice. And we're gonna paint it just like that, completely. And then after it dries, what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue this cutout, it's a wooden cutout, on our ornament, and that's it. This is how they turned out. As you can see, we have our bells over here. We have our wooden ornaments. This is how they look. Let me show you all the ones here. This is how all of them look. I just love them. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.